Hey everyone, welcome back to FX Limit, your go-to channel for everything Forex trading. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for anyone starting their trading journey: the top 5 trading indicators for beginners. Trading indicators are essential tools that can help you make informed decisions and improve your trading performance. So, let's get started. First up, we have the moving average, MA. The moving average is one of the simplest and most widely used indicators in Forex trading. It helps smooth out price data by creating a constantly updated average price, giving traders a clearer view of the market trend. There are different types of moving averages, like the simple moving average, SMA, and the exponential moving average, EMA. The SMA calculates the average price over a specific number of periods, while the EMA gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to new information. Moving averages are great for identifying trend directions and potential reversal points. They can also act as dynamic support and resistance levels, helping traders to time their entries and exits more effectively. Next, we have the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It oscillates between 0 and 100 and is typically used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in a market. When the RSI is above 70, it indicates that the market may be overbought and due for a correction. Conversely, when the RSI is below 30, it suggests that the market may be oversold and poised for a bounce. Beginners will find the RSI useful because it provides clear signals for potential market reversals and helps to avoid entering trades at the wrong time. Our third indicator is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The MACD is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. It consists of two lines: the MACD line and the signal line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it generates a bullish signal, indicating that it might be a good time to buy. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it generates a bearish signal, suggesting it might be time to sell. The MACD is versatile and can be used for identifying trends, momentum, and potential reversal points. It's a favorite among traders because of its simplicity and effectiveness. Fourth on our list is the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band, usually a simple moving average, and two outer bands that represent standard deviations away from the middle band. These bands expand and contract based on market volatility. When the price touches the upper band, it indicates that the market might be overbought, while touching the lower band suggests it might be oversold. Bollinger Bands are particularly useful for identifying price volatility and potential reversal points. They help traders to understand when the market is likely to break out of a range and when it might revert to the mean. Finally, let's talk about our very own Apex Trend Indicator. The Apex Trend Indicator is a powerful tool designed to help traders, especially beginners, identify favorable trends in the Forex market. This indicator not only scans the market to determine whether a pair is in an uptrend or downtrend, but also provides non-repainting buy and sell signals across multiple pairs and timeframes. What sets the Apex Trend Indicator apart is its high accuracy and easy-to-use interface. With features like trend scanning, trade signal alerts, and a comprehensive dashboard showing success rates, it's designed to simplify your trading experience. You'll receive real-time alerts on your mobile or desktop, so you never miss a trading opportunity. Plus, it supports all instruments, including Forex pairs, indices, metals, crypto, and commodities, making it incredibly versatile. The Apex Trend Indicator's intuitive design makes it perfect for beginners who are just starting to navigate the complexities of Forex trading. It helps you make informed decisions by providing clear signals for entries and exits, complete with take profit and stop loss levels. This means you can trade with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable tool to guide you through the market's ups and downs. So, there you have it, folks. The top 5 trading indicators for beginners. Remember, while these tools can significantly enhance your trading strategy, it's crucial to use them in conjunction with proper risk management and a solid trading plan. Trading is a journey, and the right tools can make that journey smoother and more successful. If you're interested in trying out the Apex Trend Indicator, visit our website at fxlimit.com for more information. Thanks for tuning in to FX Limit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.